In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Quarto paper size in Microsoft Word. Setting the correct paper size is important when preparing documents for printing, especially if your printer or organization requires a specific page format like Quarto. Let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your document is open, go to the Layout tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In some versions of Word, this tab may also be labeled Page Layout. In the Layout tab, look for the Page Setup group. Here you will find options such as Margins, Orientation, Size, and Columns. Click the Size button to open the list of available paper sizes. If you see Quarto in the list, simply click on it and the page size of your document will immediately change to Quarto. However, in many versions of Microsoft Word, the Quarto option may not appear in the default list. If that happens, you can manually create the Quarto size. To do this, click More Paper Sizes at the bottom of the Size menu. This will open the Page Setup dialog box. In the Paper tab, you will see fields for width and height. For Quarto size, set the width to 8.5 inches and the height to 10.83 inches. After entering these values, click OK. Your document will now use the Quarto paper size. You can also adjust the orientation if needed. If your document should be horizontal, select Landscape. If it should be vertical, choose Portrait. Setting the correct paper size ensures that your document prints properly and matches the paper you are using. And that's how you set Quarto paper size in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorials.